How to add a profile picture in Wire Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on Wire Messenger and wondering how to add a profile picture, then here is how you can do it. First thing to do is to open the Wire Messenger app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account if you're not already. Once you're inside the Conversations tab, go to the top left corner and tap on your current profile picture or your initial. Now on the next page, tap on your profile picture or the initial, which is R in my case. Just tap on that, and in the pop-up, click on either take a photo and take a picture from your device's camera, or you want to upload an existing photo, then click on choose from library. This will take you to your camera roll where you can select the photo you want to use as your profile picture. Once you do that, click OK, and now the profile picture will be uploaded. If it does not upload immediately, then try restarting the app and you'll be able to add your profile picture right away. Now your new profile picture will appear in your Wire Messenger profile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.